Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. From this article, you will learn how to find out if your phone is listening to you and what you can do about it. Let's get started. In a world where Siri and Google Assistant are part of our daily lives, many of you may wonder, is my phone actually listening to me? Spoiler alert, it probably is. When we only had landlines, our biggest fear was that someone might be eavesdropping on a phone call. Fast forward to today, and our smartphones are constantly listening for voice commands. They're on alert, waiting to respond to phrases like, "Hey, Siri," or "Okay, Google." While this makes it easier to ask questions or send texts hands-free, it raises some serious privacy concerns. A while back, reports surfaced that companies like Google and Apple were using third-party contractors to listen to and transcribe these audio recordings. This meant that personal conversations were being heard by complete strangers. After a public outcry, Google made changes to their policies. But the question remains, how much are these devices really listening? Your phone's main job is to make your life easier. By listening for your voice commands, it can grant requests, track activity, and show ads. Your voice assistant has access to your contacts, including how you refer to them, your preferred music and podcasts, the devices connected to your phone, and the names of your apps and reminders, which helps it personalize your experience. While companies say they don't tie this data back to you personally, it's still a lot of information floating around out there. At the end of the day, it's not illegal for your phone to listen if you've agreed to it. Most apps require you to accept terms and conditions that give them permission to access your microphone. But if your phone gets infected with malware, that's a whole different story. Most people don't read those lengthy agreements, but taking a few minutes to check could save you a lot of trouble. To stop your voice assistant from listening, iOS users can turn off Siri by navigating to Settings, Siri and search and toggling off Listen for Hey Siri. They should disable microphone access by going to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone and turning off access for unnecessary apps. Android users can deactivate Google Assistant by going to Settings, Google, Settings for Google Apps, Search, Assistant and Voice and toggling off Hey Google. They can also manage microphone access by going to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, selecting the app, and toggling off the microphone permission. To enhance your phone's privacy, download apps only from official app stores to avoid potentially harmful ones. Regularly update your device to protect against security vulnerabilities, and consider using a VPN for added security by masking your online activity. Set up strong passwords and utilize fingerprint or Face ID for extra protection. In the end, your phone is listening, but you have the power to change that. By adjusting settings and being mindful of your app permissions, you can protect your privacy. So go ahead, take charge of your phone and your conversations. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned, while voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant make daily tasks easier, they can raise serious privacy issues as they listen for commands and may record conversations that could be accessed by third parties. Your voice assistant collects a significant amount of personal information, including your contacts, preferences, and usage patterns, which can be used for targeted advertising, even if companies claim it's not linked directly to your identity. Users have the ability to enhance their privacy by adjusting settings, such as disabling voice assistant features and microphone access, as well as adopting practices like downloading apps wisely, using a VPN, and regularly updating their devices. We hope you liked this story.